Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Parrot Puzzler here on ABC Radio. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Chris. I run and own the Parrot in Aldringham. I've also got my foot in the door, the Dolphin in Thorpeness. And yeah, we're busy getting ready for Christmas at the moment. And I'm going to put in a sneaky plug here before we crack on with the quiz. The 27th of November. It's a Sunday. You can kick off Christmas here at the Parrot Puzzler. At the Parrot Puzzler, at the Parrot in Aldringham. From 3 until 5, we will have a brass band here playing to kick off Christmas. It's going to be a really, really good afternoon. There might even be some snow if I can organise it. Who knows? But yeah, please do come along. If you haven't been to us before, come along. It'll be a fantastic afternoon with some great Christmas music. Be a fantastic way to kick off Christmas at the end of November. You know, it's my favourite time of the year. It's my favourite time of the year. Anyway, you can find out all of our Christmas festive fun on our websites. Please do go and have a look. That's enough plugging my pubs. Let's crack on with the quiz. That's why you're here this morning. It's 20 questions. Let's see how you do. Question 1. How many degrees in a right angle? Question 2. Which computer game giant was behind the handheld console, the Game Boy? Question 3. Within their own force, who is the highest ranking police officer? Question 4. Which two toppings usually make a Hawaiian pizza? Question 5. Who played the female lead role in The Sound of Music? Question 6. In which fictional village was BBC's Noel's House Party set? Question 7. What is Burger King's equivalent to McDonald's Big Mac? Question 8. How many ounces in a pound? Question 9. In the animated movie Finding Nemo, what kind of fish is Nemo? Question 10. Who is the current Archbishop of Canterbury? Question 11. In what year was the number 1 added to the area codes in telephone numbers? Question 12. In which US state is the city of Denver? Question 13. Which mythical creature appears on the flag of Bhutan? Question 14. What flavour are bourbon biscuits? Question 15. What root vegetable is used to make gnocchi? Question 16. Rupert Murdoch was born in which country? Question 17. Which TV channel was David Attenborough controller of in the 1960s? Question 18. Who is the presenter of Tipping Point? Question 19. Which Take That song also features Lulu? And question 20. Which musical has the character Corny Collins? And that's it, guys. That is your 20 questions. I'm also going to plug our YouTube channel right now. So if you search for the Parrot Puzzler on YouTube, you will find us. There are dozens of videos up there now. I upload a video of this quiz I'm doing right now. But also on a Sunday evening, there is a brand new Parrot Puzzler that goes up at 6 o'clock every Sunday. So please go and have a look. Search for the Parrot Puzzler. Give us a subscribe, a like, a follow. Fantastic. Thank you. But yes, let's see how you've done today. Let's go through these answers. Question 1, how many degrees in a right angle? Of course, there are 90. Question 2, which computer game giant was behind the handheld console, the Game Boy? It is Nintendo. Question 3. Within their own force, who is the highest ranking police officer? It's the Chief Constable. Question 4. Which two toppings usually make up a Hawaiian pizza? It's ham and pineapple. Question 5. Who played the female lead role in The Sound of Music? It was Julie Andrews. Question 6. In which fictional village was the BBC's Noel's House Party set? It was Crinkly Bottom. Question 7. What is the Burger King's equivalent to the McDonald's Big Mac? So Burger King has the Whopper. Question 8. How many ounces in a pound? There are 16. Question 9. In the animated movie Finding Nemo, what kind of fish is Nemo? He is a clownfish. Question 10. Who is the current Archbishop of Canterbury? That is Justin Welby. Question 11. In what year was the number 1 added to the area codes in phone numbers? It was in 1995. Question 12. In which US state is the city of Denver? You can find it in Colorado. And question 13. Which mythical creature appears on the flag of Bhutan? It's a dragon. Question 14. What flavor of bourbon biscuits? I have to be really careful not to say bourbon there, as I work on the bar, and I probably say bourbon more than I do bourbon. They're spelt the same, but they're bourbon biscuits, and they are chocolate flavored. Question 15. What root vegetable is used to make gnocchi? It is potato. Question 16. Rupert Murdoch was born in which country? He is born in Australia. Question 17. Which TV channel was David Attenborough controller of in the 1960s? It was BBC Two. Question 18. Who is the presenter of Tipping Point? It's Ben Shepherd. Question 19. Which Take That song also featured Lulu? It was Relight My Fire. And question 20. Which musical has the character Corny Collins? It is Hairspray. So that is your 20 questions, guys. I hope you got really high scores. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm going to go and get ready for lunch. Have a fantastic day. And hopefully you'll catch me on YouTube. If not, I'll be back here next Sunday. Cheers, guys. Goodbye.